지하철에서 내렸습니다. 그리고 오늘은 호스텔에서 일본인 친구를 사귀었거든요. 그 친구랑 야시장을 구경할 겁니다. 그 친구는 먼저 와가지고 기다리고 있다고 하는데 어디 있는지 모르겠어요. 지금 찾고 있습니다. 아, 아키상 도코 데스까. 아, 저기 있구나.
Okay.
What did you do? Did you drink?
Yeah. One drink only.
Ah, okay. What about food?
No. I like to eat with you.
Okay, okay.
yeah. Let's go.
Perfect.
Do you arrive here first time?
Yeah, this is Liho. Liho night market is my first time.
Oh, really? Okay. I visit here second time. Lot of people.
Oh, nice. This way?
Yeah. Let's go. Mr. Kim, please please.
So what did you drink?
Beer.
Beer?
Beer.
Huh?
One only.
500 milliliters, like 1 pint?
250.
아, 250. 오케이. 저희가 이 짤막짤막한 영어로 소통을 하고 있습니다. 아, 중고등학교 때 일본어를 좀 공부를 많이 했어야 됐었는데 안 했어. 오, 다르네. 생각보다.
Takauchi is very big night market.
오, 다르다. 이전에 갔던 야시장 두 군데보다 좀 더 화려하고 그렇네요. 찾아보니까 리워 야시장이 대만 가오싱의 심장이래요. 아주 극적인 표현이긴 한데 그런 이유가 있는 겁니다. I searched for the information of this market and it says like the heart of Kaohsiung. Heart of Kaohsiung.
Okay.
This night market. 와. 뭐 먹어야 할까? 양쪽에 식당이 엄청 많은데. Just let me know like if you want to eat something then yeah,
Thinking. This is very good. It's very good.
아, oyster. Would you like to eat this one?
Yes, I like it.
굴파전 맛있겠는데? 대만은 또 굴파전으로 유명하죠. 굴이 또 남자한테 굴이 또 몸에도 좋으니까 철분이 많고.谢谢. Thank you.
Yeah. 이타다키마스. 오, 이타다키마스.
이쪽에 굴이 들어가 있는 전이고요. 여기 안에 전분이 있어가지고 쫄깃한 식감이 있는 그런 전입니다. 대만에서 굉장히 유명한 전이고요. 먹어볼게요.
Much. Blue like. Very good.
Very good.
Hot.
와, 이 연기가 like a steam a lot. This is like tomato, right?
Yeah, right. Tomato. Ketchup. Yeah, Korea taste bottle, tomato bottle. What one? Korea. Ketchup. No?
토마토 케첩?
Yeah. Okay. Japan, English, same. Okay. Understand. 美味しいこれ。This is delicious. 何入ってんだろう。This is very もちもち。
ベリーベリーモチモチ。
Game scenario right there. Yeah. This is my game scenario. Jump. 2 months ago, I upload Storia scenario first time. This year, I wish to create game scenario. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hard working.
Have you ever tried that beer? Taiwan is 18 days beer.
Oh, 18?
18 days, like that lasts 18 days. So you have to drink in 18 days.
Oh. Understand.
You have
Okay.
to finish.
Yes.
You have to finish in 18 days.
Oh, wow. Oh my god.
That's a special Taiwanese beer.
Yeah.
So if you would like to drink, we can bring alcohol here.
Yes, one more again.
미친 데도 없는데. Maybe I will ask him 18 days beer. But how is it? 님은 많이 저거 비지오 날?
Can you speak
Yes, English. We couldn't find this beer in a convenience store, so we want to buy this beer somewhere else.
It's very hard. It's not a restaurant market.
So they have the
Yes.
18 days.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You know, it's just only the day 40.
Yes, very
40 days.
special.
So in the 7-Eleven, it cannot buy.
Ah,
Taiwan people is not with beer too much. We are Vietnam.
you're from Vietnam?
Yeah,
Okay.
we drink too much. So some restaurant has this beer.
Okay.
It's a wrap beer. So just 14 days, it's over.
Okay, okay.
Today is a soft day.
Just a quick question.
Yeah.
Vietnam has your beer, right? Vietnamese beer name.
A lot of Vietnamese beer. You see the Heineken, Tiger beer,
Okay.
the Ladle beer, the Buddha beer. So one city we have one beer.
If you compare Vietnamese beers and this one, okay. Come on, come on. Just come on. How do you call this in Japanese? Is this abalone?
Abalone. Japan word awabi.
This is good. This is healthy. 전복 꼬치구이 먹으면 되겠다. This one? Two?
One spicy is okay.
쫑라.
Songna.
쫑라.
Yes, sir.
이렇게 적어. One.
One.
스파티엔 피조. 가자.
美味しかったですか？
はい、
美味しいですか？何食べたんですか？
辛いですよ。
あ、辛い？
スパイシーとか聞かれたから、イエスイエスとか言ったら、胡椒がめっちゃかかってる。だからラーメンスパイシーが良かったかも。
本当ですか？何食べたんですか？
私たちイカだけ。
あ、イカだけ。イカ焼き出てましたさっき。辛かったですね。
ドラフトビー
あ、
ル
だからもっとスパイシーにすれば大丈夫。
でも彼がレススパイシーって言ってくれたんで、ちょっと少なめにって言ってくれたんで大丈夫だと。
쫑라.
Songna.
楽しんでください。また。
はい、はい。
괜히.
Taiwan beer.
谢谢.
Yeah, 谢谢。Oh, Japan culture. You respect all the year.
Okay.
Yes. どうぞどうぞ。どうぞどうぞ。Not Korea culture?
Because we just met 3 days, so we respect. Even if you are younger than me.
ありがとう。
どういたしまし
Thank
て.
you. Oh, good.
Yeah, this is 18 days.
18 days. Okay. I want to upload Instagram.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
乾杯?
乾杯。Cheers.
Cheers.
乾杯。おお。スペシャル。
美味しいですか?
美味しい。うめえこれ。超うまいね。やば。
やばい.
うめえこれ。やばいやばい。아, 음마.
지금 그 전복꼬치 그리고 이거는 조개에 있는 거 있잖아요. 그겁니다. 맛있겠죠?
Where are you living? Taipei.
台湾人台北です。
I arrive.
日本人ですか？
So,
와, 생각보다 맵다.
じゃあいただこ
와, 스파이시.
う。うん。あ。おほ。
와, 진짜 스파이시.
うわ、辛これ。うわ、辛いこれ。辛。あー、美味しいけど辛い。
It's good, but it's very.
あー、じゃあ、ワン、オッケー少し。You? 少しもらえるって。あー、you,
Okay, okay.
not spicy, maybe. Thanks. ありがとうございます。
죽이라고.
No. Alone. I'm Japanese, Korea.
コリア。
Yeah.
日本コリア。
Yes, 日本、Korea.
クラスメイト。
我们看了在 hostel 第一看
辛い。あ、it's okay. Good. あ、美味しいこれ。
어우 매워.
I eat pain.
You feel pain? 아 이거는 그래도 매울 것 같아. Oh my gosh. Same spicy. 아 매워.
あ、美味しいこれ。あ、this is good, very good. 美味しいこれ。
와.
오, finish. 아, やばい。
와 오마이갓. 와 이거 어떡하지? 괜히 18인 맥주 먹자 해가지고 매운 거 먹은 것 같은데. 헐라.
Korea 不吃 less cook 辣
我是韩国人，我会喜欢吃辣。
Kimchi is very spicy.
Depends on
Ah,
kimchi.
depends.
Depends on the
Ah.
style.
My stomach, my fire.
fire.
fire. I'm hungry,
No.
but I'm fire. I want to eat many food. My stomach's very fire.
Maybe we have to drink milk tea.
Yes.
Yeah, we eat this. Because this is very healthy.
Healthy.
Healthy. This is very healthy.
Yeah.
Vitamin.
Yes, understand. Yes, understand. My breakfast, my stomach's very fire. Thank you. Bye. My stomach is small fire.
Would you like to eat anything else?
I wish to eat sweet drink.
Sweet drinks. 탕, 후루.
Yeah. This finish.
Let's go to have a milk tea over there.
Okay.
뜨거운 속을 달래주기 위해서 우슬 안에 가겠습니다.
My stomach hope to sweet drink. What milk tea?
You want the powder or French milk?
Milk.
Large or medium?
Raw.
Sugar little can.
5.
Ice.
Yes.
Okay.
Green milk tea, powder please. Large size please. 반탕 샤오빙.
Double?
Yes.
I like it.
Bubble. Ready?
Oh. Okay. You.
Okay now? 스토맥?
Yeah. Good. But so sweet.
짧은 야시장 구경은 여기서 마치도록 하겠습니다. 너무 매운 거 먹어가지고 파이어고
Yeah.
이 밀크티는 너무 달아요. 자극적인 걸로 마무리를 하겠습니다. 그러면 다음 영상에 또 뵐게요. 빠이빠이.
I love Korea. 다녀왔습니다. Thank you.
바이. 오 마이 갓.
Alright?
정말 잘 봐.
Yeah. Yes.